Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to do a demo about how to create a large number of iterations in a very fast way. So I'm going to use this file. I'm going to write here iterations or trials, and then I'm going to write one here. After I write one, I do enter, and then I go back where I have one, and then I go to this icon here right below the sum sign here. I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna do series. Since I want my iterations to be in the column, I'm gonna click on column, and then a step value is 1 because I'm gonna want 1 plus 1 each time. Plus 1 get 2, plus 1 get 3, etc. And here I put how many iterations I want. So let's say I want 1000. I put here 1000. If I wanted 50,000, I would write 50,000, etc. So I'm going to click OK, and now I have all my iterations ready. Thank you. Bye.